After thousands of hours of searching, the exact location of the Malaysia Airlines jet remains unclear. A few final signals between the aircraft and a satellite have allowed search teams to focus their efforts. But the lack of progress has put pressure on airlines and aircraft manufacturers to come up with a better way of tracking planes. So how does real-time tracking work? Well, every passenger jet in the air, and there are thousands at any one time, would automatically transmit data to a satellite. That information would then be sent to a ground station where it would be recorded. Some aircrafts do this already for engineering reasons, but a new system could include the plane's location, second-by-second data on its altitude, and crucial information about its speed and direction. Aircraft engineering companies already track the performance of some planes. This allows them to pick up any problems and advise airlines even while the aircraft is in flight. One suggestion is that this same technology should be expanded to include detailed location data.
Not on all airplanes, but on the more modern airplanes, there is a direct connection with a ground station. And that goes through satellite, and we pick up that signal at the ground station. It goes through the internet, and we pick it up from the internet and look at it with our own specialists.
But with thousands of aircraft in the air at any one time, each producing a vast amount of data, experts say any effective tracking system would need to be selective. It would have to only send some data, only some of the time, perhaps only when a plane deviates from its planned route or altitude or makes an unexpected manoeuvre.
The technology is essentially there now. What we need to do is to find a way of applying it in a consistent way and a globally standardized way, so that you're not having to do different things in different parts of the world, but in a way that enables airlines to do it in a cost-effective manner.
The business of commercial aviation is on the verge of being transformed on a global scale.
Rival satellite companies are already arguing over the cost and value of their competing tracking system. But it's the aviation authorities who will ultimately decide what sort of tracking is required and whether equipment such as transponders that identify the aircraft should be designed so pilots can't disable them in flight. It will then need to be implemented, a process that could take up to 3 years. Tarek, Bazley, Al Jazeera.